Hey everyone, welcome back to DoMore Review. Today, we're diving into an early look at the highly anticipated Air Jordan 4 Military Black. If you're a fan of classic Jordans with a modern twist, this one is definitely for you. As always, if you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest unboxings and reviews. Let's get into it. Wow, just wow. The Air Jordan 4 Military Black takes inspiration from the original military blue colorway, but with a more versatile twist. The smooth white leather upper is top-notch quality, giving it that premium feel. The light gray Durabuck toe wrap adds a subtle touch of texture, and the netted TPU inserts are classic Jordan 4. Now, let's take a closer look at the details. The military black eyelets, heel tabs, and underlays provide a stark contrast against the white upper, making these sneakers really pop. The color blocking is done to perfection, giving it a clean and timeless look. This pair is going to be a staple in any sneakerhead's collection. Let's talk about comfort. Slipping these on, they feel just right. The padding around the ankle is supportive, and the overall fit is true to size. Whether you're rocking these on the court or just as a daily wear, they're going to keep your feet happy all day long. One of the best things about the Air Jordan 4 Military Black is how versatile they are. The neutral colorway means you can pair them with almost anything in your wardrobe, from casual jeans to more athletic fits. These sneakers are not just a fashion statement, they're a lifestyle choice. The Jordan 4 has always been a significant model in the Jordan lineup, originally released in 1989. The Military Black is a modern nod to the classic military blue, showcasing how Jordan brand continues to evolve while respecting its roots. Now, if you're wondering where to get your hands on a pair of these, look no further than pancake.ru. This website is a go-to destination for all things fashion, footwear, and lifestyle. They offer a wide range of products including limited editions and exclusive collections. Shopping on pancake.ru is a breeze. The website is user-friendly, with detailed product descriptions and high-quality images that give you a true sense of what you're buying. Plus, you can check out customer reviews to see what others are saying before you make your purchase. They also offer comprehensive shipping and return policies. Whether you're in the same country or halfway across the world, pancake.ru makes sure your package arrives safely and on time. And if for any reason you need to return an item, their return process is straightforward and hassle-free. Be sure to keep an eye out for special promotions and deals on pancake.ru. They frequently offer discounts on popular items, so you might just score a great deal on your next purchase. It's definitely worth checking out their site regularly. The Air Jordan 4 Military Black is a must-have for any sneaker enthusiast. Its blend of classic and modern design makes it a standout piece, and with a platform like pancake.ru, getting your hands on a pair has never been easier. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to shop these sneakers. That wraps up today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DoMore Review for more content like this. And remember, the link to pancake.ru is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.